Hi there, thanks so much for joining us today. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get from our customers, which is how do I know when my spit roasted meat is ready? One of the most important pieces of equipment that you will need when cooking with a spit is an instant read thermometer. That's the only true way of knowing when the inside of your meat is actually cooked. That's because the outside may look really nice and brown and cooked, but until you take that off and you carve inside, you actually don't know whether it's cooked all the way through. Whereas with an instant read thermometer, all you need to do is pierce a couple of pieces around the meat. The most fattiest part is the best, and that will tell you what the internal temperature is of the meat. Now, depending on what you're cooking, you're looking for a different internal temperature. So just make sure that you've got those ready on hand. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, leave a comment in the comments section below, and we'll catch you in the next video.